10 tips to lose weight quickly without dieting. 1. Drink water. Sounds too basic and simple a thing, right? But this is the first step towards weight loss. Water not just keeps you hydrated but also increases metabolism, keeps you filled for long, flushes out toxins and prevents water retention. 2. Reduce sugar intake. If you can't give it up completely, at least try to gradually reduce it. Sugar is not just high in empty calories but also slows down your metabolism as per latest researches. It leads to obesity and heart-related issues. 3. Eat more protein. If you are not already doing it, add more proteins in your diet. Include dal, eggs, paneer and soya products on a daily basis. Proteins keep you satiated for long and prevent cravings. 4. Walk. If you are looking at weight loss, ideally you must go for a brisk walk for at least 45 minutes daily. But if you cannot do that, try walking half an hour in morning and evening. If you don't know, walking massages the internal organs and helps increase metabolism. Try to walk 1,000 steps after every meal. This is the best mantra if you want to lose weight quickly. 5. Eat fiber. Fiber not just flushes out cholesterol, keeps the gut clear but also keeps you satiated for long. It is very important to eat fibrous food when one wants to lose weight. Include psyllium husk, chia seeds, fruits and green vegetables in your diet if you want to lose weight quickly. 6. Chew your food. Chew your food 20 to 30 times. This is very important as it not just makes the food easily digestible but also reduces calorie intake. As per several researchers, people who chew their food less gain more weight. 7. Completely shun juices and cola. They are loaded with sugar, artificial flavors and colors. They not just add empty calories but they also wreak